Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to make tasty and simple fish fry recipe. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. So first let's prepare masala for this recipe. Here I have taken Kashmiri red chilies. I have taken approximately 25 dry chilies. Soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes and then add it to a mixer jar. Next, 1 whole garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 3 cloves, 1 small lemon size of soaked tamarind, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can also add vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and add enough water to make a fine paste. And this paste you can keep it in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 days, and whenever you want to fry the fishes you can use this masala and it is ready to use now. Here I have taken 3 white snapper fish. You can take any fishes which you have. Now I am going to add salt for taste. Apply this salt all over the fishes. Next, take some masala paste and apply it all over the fish. And keep it for about 15 minutes to marinate the fish. Now take a pan or tawa, add little oil to it. Once the oil is hot, slowly place the fish pieces. I'm going to fry the fishes on low to medium flame. Once one side is cooked, flip over to another side and cook another side too. And the tasty fish fry is ready. So try this out at home, and if you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Please keep supporting me. Thank you for watching.